Here I have Xiaomi 15T, 15T Pro, and let me show you on this example how to safely and quickly exit the save mode on the following phone. Let's begin. So if you enter save mode, you can check out how to do it on our other videos. Now you can use your phone without install apps, so it's really useful. You can check out how your device works without the install apps. But if you would like to go back to a normal mode, so if you would like to simply enter the normal mode and exit the save mode, you can do it so easily by using power key and volume up together. Keep holding both keys and simply swipe down to reboot the device. Now let's wait a couple of seconds until your Xiaomi phone will be ready to use in a normal mode. And that's it. Now you can use your device. As you can see, the save mode disappear, so you can use your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.